at the Kerry beach in Northern Goa. This is almost at the Goa-Maharashtra border. This is the northernmost beach in Goa, and this place is super quiet and empty, and very peaceful. So pretty much the vibe for this place is that it has no vibe. It's very quiet, and if you want to come here and get some time for yourself, work on something, then yes. But I actually like this beach. It's very quiet, very nice. Yeah, this place also has stunning sunsets. Just something to keep in mind. That's the vibe. Now we move on to the next one, which is the big one. It's Arambol. The weather has taken a turn for the worse. It's grey skies, gloomy. I think it's going to rain and rain really hard, really soon. So it doesn't look very good for this vlog. But yeah, I'm in Arambol. This is one of the most famous beaches in North Goa. This place is really famous with foreigners. So the vibe of this place is very chill, very cool. Especially during the peak season, this place is swarming with foreign tourists. So that's the vibe, and you have plenty of shacks along the beach. Great shacks, great food. So this is really, a mix of quiet and commercial. We are about to reach the lake. It's a long walk across the and some pigs. Why not? Alright, so that's the third one. This is called Ashwim. This seems to be on to the next one. This is called Monsoon. It's very close to Ashwim, and it's a very wide beach. Again, not too many things on the beach itself, but right behind on the road that leads to the beach, we have some good resorts. And the vibe here is again pretty chill. A lot of people playing sports because the beach is actually quite wide. Behind me there is a group of guys who have kind of built a nice football square for themselves, and they've put these sticks as goalposts. So I'm going to try and see if I can play with them. But Monsoon is pretty cool. There's a creek over there, and also clouds. Yeah, it's a good place for sunset. I'm not exactly sure what the vibe is here. I think it's very similar to Ashwim, so I'm going to categorize these two together. This is Anjuna. This place does not really need an introduction, and it has a beautiful sunset. And today is not the perfect day to catch a glimpse of the sunset, which is normally extremely beautiful, but because of the cloudy skies, it's not going to be as spectacular with respect to the colors. But still, it's a nice place to kind of wind down this long day of Just one more thing, just because it rains in Goa during these months doesn't mean it is not hot.